Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Hambone Fishing. Today we are fishing the Queen City Kayak Bass Fishing event number 2 of the main series on the Yadkin chain here. Yeah, I mean, it's a gorgeous day. Had some thunderstorms roll through last night that were pretty severe. I'm assuming they got it here. We got pollen on the water, pollen in the air, stuffy noses, scratchy eyes, all that good stuff for the Carolinas. But we're out here, we're gonna give it a shot today and see how many big fish we can catch. 4 fish limit and 120 anglers in this thing, and it's probably gonna take mid 70s to get top 5 probably. I would assume you're gonna be probably mid to upper 70s if you want a chance to win, possibly over 80. Fish should be shallow. And had a pretty decent practice, but you kind of know how that goes. I figure since I had a good practice, I'll probably have a really tough day out here today, but we're gonna give it a shot and see what we can get into. I'll have the camera rolling behind me and hopefully we get on some biggins, but let's get to it. We got probably about another 15-20 minutes until line's in. Hopefully we can get on them and kind of keep it rolling, but let's get to it. Oh, there's one. There's one. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Bro. $20.25. Look at that mammoth. All right, a little bit of a mid-morning update. Got one fish, pretty much just caught it. It was a 20.25, so really solid start. I'm not sure, I caught it on moving bait. I'm just not sure if that's, like, I know the wind is picking up a little bit. The water's a little dirtier, I think, than it was last week, but it was kind of hard to tell because it was so overcast last week that I didn't really get, a great look, but I think it got churned up a little bit in some of the storms we had yesterday, but we'll see. Still got a lot of day left, so 3 more bites, and if they can be that type of quality, we're in it. So we're just gonna keep running the bank. Nothing really else I can do. I don't have electronics, so hard to fish deep if you don't know where, what you're looking at, but let's keep it rolling. All right, 16-incher. There's a fish. There we go. That's another good one. That's another real good one. Oh my God. Yes, sir. 18 and 2.5. I'm glad I checked that picture. Just a word to the wise, check your pictures, make sure it's no doubt you're getting that last 1/4 inch. 18.25. 15.25. All right, what's up, dudes? A little bit of a midday update. I just checked the leaderboard. I'm sitting in 3rd. I'm not confident about it at all because of the way these lakes fish and service issues for people that just haven't uploaded yet. So I'm behind 2nd place by like 2 inches. So I got a 15 1/4 in my limit, and that's the smallest fish I have. So I got to figure out a way to get rid of that one. But we're gonna fish the opposite side of the creek I'm in, see if we can get in there, see if we can get anything there. But we'll get back to it and hopefully get another 20-inch. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a giant. It's a fucking giant. No, you don't. God damn it. Oh, there it was, folks. That was my comfort fish right there. Unbelievable. Easily called, easily. God. Oh, dude. I thought I had him hooked good, hooked deep. That's deflating. That is insanely deflating. Oh my fucking God. Jesus fucking Christ. God fucking. What in the fuck, Graham? This is stupid. What the fuck is All right, guys, so results are in. Finished in 8th place. Had a pretty solid day on the water today. You know, after I caught my limit fish, everything kind of went downhill after that, though. Fell in the water. You know, but I'll tell you what, I actually had a fish penalized as well. You know, it's one of those things where the fish's mouth is just a little bit deformed. That fish's mouth was as closed as it could get, but it was just the mouth was just formed a little bit open, cracked open, and it's a zero tolerance rule. I completely get it. Talked with Vinny, the commissioner, about it, and was just like, look, I know where he's coming from, he knows where I'm coming from. Like, it's just a bad thing. Luckily, it didn't hurt me at all when it came to standings, so that's always a good thing. Obviously, the lost fish cost me a spot, cost me a couple bucks, but you know what? I got paid to fish today, so I can't complain at all. You know, and got to be outside on a beautiful day. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.